Welcome to the SQL series. In this series, we will be learning about SQL, that is structured query language. This series will be less of theory and more of practicing the queries and question. So let's get started. This is the first video. In this video, we will look at DDL commands, that is data definition language, and DML commands, that is data manipulation language. In DDL, first command is create, which is used to create database objects such as tables, views, or indexes. Next is the drop command. It is used to delete database objects like tables or indexes. Next is alter command. It is used to modify an existing database object such as adding or dropping columns from a table. Next is the truncate command. It is used to remove all rows from a table but keeps the table structure for future use. It does not delete the scheme of the table. It deletes only the rows of the table. Next is the DML commands. In DML commands, we have insert, which is used to insert new records into a table. Next is the update command, which is used to modify existing records in a table. And last is the delete command, which is used to remove records from the table. The update and the delete command operates with the where clause, which is used to specify the condition. I'm in MySQL Workbench. First, we will check the existing databases in our system. So query for that is show databases. We'll select this and we'll hit run. We can see here the databases have appeared. We will be using student info database. So we'll write use student underscore info. Underscore info is the name of the database. Now let us create a table. So we'll write create table and then the table name. We'll name the table as students and we will define the columns now. First will be the roll number, which will be of type int. Next will be the name, which will be of type varchar, and the size of the string, let's say 20. And we'll have one more column as age, which will be of type int again. Let us execute this. Yes, our query has been executed. Let us check the schema now of the table. So for that we'll write select star from students. We can see our table is created. We have columns roll number, name and age. Now let us insert the data into the table. For that we'll write query insert into table name students, then values, and then we'll write the values. Roll number will take 1, we'll take name as Ram, and his age will type 21. Let us execute this. Yes, our query has been executed. Let's check if the data has been inserted. Select star from students. I will just copy this query so I don't have to type it again and again. Let us execute this. Yes, we can see our row is being inserted in the table. Now what if we want to insert multiple rows in one go? We can do it. So let's see how. The query is same as above. Insert into students, and then we'll specify the rows, roll number, name and age, and then we'll specify the data. Values first is roll number. Let's say 2. Name Neha and age 20. Let us enter another row. Roll number 3. Name Sanika, age 19. Let us enter another row. 4. Raj, age 19. Let us execute the query. While inserting the data, don't forget to include names in the single quotes, else you will encounter with an error. A query has been executed. Let us view the data. Yes, our table has appeared here. So next is the update command. Update command is used to change the data, to change the existing data in the table. So let's say if we want to update the age of Sanika to 21. So let's do that. We will write update students set age is equals to 21, where name is equals to Sanika. Let us execute this. Yes. Our query has run successfully. Let us check if the changes are reflected in the table. Yes, we can see the age of Sanika is updated to 21. So next is the alter command. Alter command is used to modify the schema. It is used to add or delete the columns in the rows. It is used to add or delete the columns in the table. So let's go for the alter command. Alter table, then the table name, students. We will add a column named branch to specify in which branch the student is studying. So add branch, and we'll specify the data type, which is varchar, and we'll specify the size is 20. No need to include the data type in braces. Let us execute it. Yes. Let us check if the changes are reflected in the table. Yes. We can see the branch column is added since we do not have entered any entries. It is showing as null entries in the table. Let us set branch as computer science for all the students. So for this we will be using the update command. Update table name, that is students set branch is equals to computer science. Let us execute the query. Let us see if the changes are reflected in the table. So we'll execute select command. Yes. So we can say that as we have not specified any condition using a where clause, so the updation has happened for all the rows in the table. So that's the thing to note. So next is the delete command. Delete from students. Then we have to specify condition. Let's say we want to delete the entry for Ram, where roll number equals 1. Let us run this. Our query is executed successfully. Let us execute a select query. Yes, we can see the entry for RAM has disappeared. The next command is the truncate command. So truncate command is used to delete all the rows in the table. So the command is truncate table and then the table name, that is students. Let us execute this. Then execute select query. Yes, we can see all the rows have been deleted, but the schema of the table is still here. So the schema of the table doesn't get deleted. And last command is the drop command. So drop table and the table name. Table name is student. So the drop command deletes the table from the database. So including the rows, the schema of the tables also gets deleted. So the table has dropped. Okay, we have encountered an error. Students. Let us execute this. And now let us try to query the data. Select star. Yes, we have error here. We have encountered the error because there is no table named students in the database. So the difference between the truncate and the drop command is truncate command deletes only the rows retaining the structure of the table, but the drop command deletes the entire table. So that was for this video. I hope you understood the concepts. See you again.